In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Salesforce org ID in just 5 minutes. This is a crucial piece of information whether you're transitioning to a new team, setting up integrations, or simply need it for troubleshooting. Let's dive right in and find out how you can easily locate your Salesforce org ID. First things first, you'll want to go to the Salesforce website, open your preferred web browser and head over to www.salesforce.com. If you're not already logged in, you need to get to the login page, which you can find by hovering over the top right corner of the screen. Once you're there, just click on the login button to proceed. You should then see the option to select Salesforce, so go ahead and do that. Once at the login screen, enter your credentials to access your Salesforce account. Make sure you have the correct username and password to avoid any login issues. Now that you're logged in, the process gets even simpler. Look up to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find the quick settings icon, usually represented by a small gear symbol. Click on this icon to reveal a drop down menu that provides several different options managing your Salesforce experience. From the drop down, click on Open Advanced Setup. This will redirect you to a new page with various settings and options. At this stage you're getting closer to locating your org ID, so keep following along. Next you will see a search bar on the left hand side that says Search Setup. Type in company information into this bar. This is going to streamline your navigation process and directly point you to where you need to go. Once you've typed company information, click on the corresponding link that appears in the search results. This will direct you to a page that contains lots of valuable information about your organization's account. Now, on this company information page, carefully look for the section labeled Salesforce.com Organization ID. It's usually listed near the top, along with other important account details like your organization's name and address. This unique identifier is essential for certain processes within Salesforce, so it's good to know exactly where to find it whenever you need it. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to finding your Salesforce org ID. In summary, you start by logging into Salesforce, navigate to Quick Settings, go to Advanced Setup, and then search for company information where you'll find your organization ID prominently displayed. Whether it took you all of 5 minutes or a bit longer, you can now easily locate this ID anytime. Thanks for watching and feel free to like or subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.